Ashanah'M here, back with a new video. So today I'm super duper excited to be doing this review. If you click this video, of course you know what it is already. I will be reviewing the Aaliyah MAC collection. Lavish. Let me just tell y'all. Oh, nobody saw that. But let me just tell y'all. I was fiending for this collection. Aaliyah is bae. I've been freaking obsessed over Aaliyah since freaking forever. Like, I'm a 90s baby. I got the Aaliyah shirt on. Like, we gotta do it up. Like, it's only right. I put the Aaliyah shirt on today because we about to beat the space with the Aaliyah collection, and we gonna see what these products is hitting for. So, as y'all guys know, I'm cheap, so I didn't get the whole collection, but I was watching a bunch of reviews on YouTube, and this girl that I watch, she tried on all the lipsticks, and I felt that I should buy lipsticks that I know is gonna look right on me. I mean, who wants to waste money? I'm just saying. So I have 3 lip glosses, 1 lipstick. Wait, hold on. Okay, I have 3 lip glosses, 1 lipstick. So the lip glosses I have, lip gloss, lip glass, whatever. I have Lily's Motor City. I have Brooklyn Born in 1 in a Million. And in the lipstick, I have Street Thing. I will be swatching these for you today. And I also, y'all know I had to get the palette. Like, I'm just a palette head. I love palettes. I didn't get the bronzer. I was feeling for the bronzer. I wanted the bronzer so bad. But reason is that bronzer would not show up on me. And that really kind of pissed me off because I really wanted the bronzer. Because, I mean, the bronzer is like super light. Where I'm going. And if y'all hear something in the background, it's the AC. Because, you know, it's hot in Brooklyn or whatever. But anyway. This is the eyeshadow palette. This palette is mad medium. Like, I don't know if maybe they had it zoomed in on the MAC site. Not the MAC site. They had it zoomed in on the MAC Instagram or whatever the case may be. This looked a little bit bigger. Like, I thought at least this was going to be like more of a quarter size. Do I got a quarter on my dresser? Y'all lucky I ain't got a quarter on me because I would have compared it just now. This is more like a shape of a dime. Sizes of eyeshadows, and this palette goes for $32. Let me just tell y'all. I understand Aaliyah's name is on it, but can we get some more? Can we get some more pigmentation? Can we get some more? You know, can we get some more? But anyway, this Aaliyah. I love Aaliyah, so this is the reason why I bought it, because it has her name on it. You know, it's affiliated with her. I love her so freaking much. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette. We gonna do the eyes with this palette. I already did my foundation. I already did my contour. I already did these brows. Because I wanted to just jump in. I didn't want to be all extra or whatever. They look nice and pigmented. They look nice. They look really pigmented. They look really pigmented. They look yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, so now, give me 1 second. I also was eligible for the bandana. As much as was spent on this collection, I better get something. This is the bandana. Hold on. Where her name go? Oh, wow. Okay. So the bandana has her name in the corners of the scarf. So if you was to put the scarf on, I guess, you wouldn't see her name, which is weird. I thought it was really in the middle, but it's not. But okay. So I will not be wearing this scarf. I will be wearing it, but I'll probably like wear it around my neck, like for if I wanted to take photos or whatever the case may be. But as far as you know, like, it's, I don't know, I would rather see her name like as I wear the scarf, like on my head or whatever the case may be. But I guess that's not the case. So I'll probably, like, you know, fold it where so I can wear it around my neck. It could say Aaliyah, you know. Yeah, no. Okay, the names of the shadows, which I don't know which shadow is what. So we have, this whole palette name is AJ Nothing But a Number. And it's 9 eyeshadows. One is Love Smoke, Magic More, Care For You, Creative Copper, That's Somebody, Princess of Soul, Deception, Ginger Snap, and Dance in the Dark. I don't know which shadow is which, so I can't even tell you. I could just point and you know. So I'm gonna go in. Matter of fact, I don't even want to use this brush. I'm using a little fluffy brush. I want to see really how pigmented this is. So we're gonna go in with this shade right here, this brown. Okay, I like this. This is giving me like a little darker than MAC Saddle. Okay, I'm liking this. I'll already prime my eyes, by the way, y'all. A little bit. It's giving me a little bit darker than I thought in the eyeshadow palette. It looks a little bit lighter, but you know, it's all good. I mean, whatever. This is a good shade to if you want to like smoke your eye out. Ooh, I don't know. I'm thinking about doing a smoky eye, like, cause I love the eye look that she had in the "Are You That Somebody" video. I'm gonna have some stuff pop up. "Are You That Somebody" video and the "We Need a Resolution" video. Oh, yeah. Won't you pick me up the block right now on the block while everyone sleeps. So okay, I'm gonna really go in with the next shade, which is this. My nose keep itching. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I believe this is like a charcoal black. It's not a black, but it's like a gray black. So I'm going to use a smaller brush. I don't want to use it too small because I don't want to pack it on crazy. So I'm going to just find something just a little bit smaller so I can pack it on. If you hear something in the background, I think I told you already, it's the AC because you know it's hot in Brooklyn over there. Shadow, I'm not getting any fallout. Like, the palette don't look crazy. I've been dipping in the shadow like twice, 3-4 times, and I'm not getting no fallout, so that is a good thing. I mean, when it's fallout, I guess it shows that it is pigmented, but I don't want my shadow all over the place when I'm trying to, you know, dig in and get some color. I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys because this is lit. Okay, I could do that. Middle. Let's swatch this one. Let's see. Oh, this is a matte shade. Do we got shimmer in it? They got a little shimmer in it though. Oh, that's a matte shade. If that's the case, I should. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that's a matte shade. I could have used that as a freaking what you call it? Oh, these are nice and creamy too, by the way. Yeah, man. Yeah, for real. I'm impressed. I mean, I have MAC eyeshadows before, but this shadow is lit as freaky. This shade right here. Ooh, that is cute. Okay, so we're gonna put that in the inner corner. Oh, freaking perfect. Oh my god. I'm in heaven. Take this out. I'm in heaven. I'm really in heaven right now. Y'all just don't understand. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna smoke out this bottom lash line like I ain't never smoked nothing out before. I'm just kidding. So I think, okay, we have, I'm gonna swatch them on my arm right here. This is Motor City. This is a nice peachy nice peachy lip gloss. This is cute. I like this one. This is cute. This is Motor City. Okay. Watch me forget this is on my arm, y'all, and then wipe it on myself. Watch. Okay, so we have Brooklyn Born. Cause you know you get what say. This is like a nice frosty lip gloss color. And this is a Brooklyn Born. My arm is hurting. This is Brooklyn Born. I like this shade. I think I want to wear this shade. I think this is the shade I want to wear today. And I have 1 in a Million lip gloss. This is the dark one. I love this one. I'm all for the dark lip. This is cute. But I would definitely wear this with a neutral eye. Like this eye is dramatic, so I probably would not wear this today. But I will be wearing it in other videos. Just to know. And I have Lily Motor City. Wait, so what is this one? This is Brooklyn Born. Okay. Oh no, wait. I'm a nut. I already swatched this one. Okay, now I have the lipstick, which is Street Thing. But this has a little shimmer in it. I don't know. Like it's really dark. I like dark lipsticks like this. I have a blue that I wear from Cotton Von D. So yeah, these are the swatches of the lips that I bought. I don't have all the lip, like I said, I don't have all the lip shades because I only got the shades that I felt that would look good on me and that I could definitely work with and make, you know, that I could definitely wear looks with. And I don't, because this collection was not cheap. And who got time to be spending money to have products that's going to sit there? Not I. Lip liner on, and we're going to go into Brooklyn Born. Oh, I actually like this. It's a little sticky. Don't mind my face. It's a little sticky, but I like it. I like the shade. It's nice and it's like it's candy something. Maybe I put too much on. Okay guys, I'm back and these are my final reviews of the of the Aaliyah collection. Okay, let me just start by saying this eyeshadow palette is popping. I love the pigmentation. I love the shadows. I haven't touched every shadow in the palette as of yet, but well, I wipe the swatches off, but I really like the pigmentation. I like this shimmer shade. Yeah, no, I love my shimmer shades, my golds. This shadow in the inner corner is popping. I want to do another look. I'm going to do like a Aaliyah part 2 type of video. I don't want to just use this once on my channel. I want to do another get ready with me using the Aaliyah collection. So I think I'm going to do a part 2 to this video because I really want to show you guys the whole collection, but I can't use everything in the whole video. That's the thing I hate. I have to use a couple of things at a time, but this eyeshadow palette is bomb. I really freaking love it. I just hope all the rest of the colors are popping or whatever. I do want to do something with this purple and this pink shade, so yeah, boom. I love the packaging. As I said before, I love the packaging. I like the signature. I love the chicness of it. I love the professionalism in it. It's just super dope. It's like a mirror. You can actually see yourself in this, which is crazy. I freaking love it. I like the color. I like the shade. The glosses, this no, not this one. Which one I got on my lips? Is it Brooklyn Born? I have Brooklyn Born on my lips. This is a nice glossy lip. I'm the type of person, I have to have a lip liner with any type of gloss. Lipstick, not so much, but a gloss because it's very not sticky. The formula of it, I have a lip gloss that I used on my channel before. It's called Lust, if I'm not mistaken. It's the same formula as this, but you just cannot cake this on too much. If you cake it on too much, it would definitely give you that sticky, like, I can't explain it. If it look like you just got gunk on your lips, I hate that. So that's why I kind of took some of it off. But this is a nice shade. I think women of color can definitely wear this shade. I don't recommend it to wear alone. Definitely wear a lip liner. If you're a person that wear lip liner all the time, that is going to be a given, because I always use lip liner, and chestnut is my favorite shade of lip liner, if you didn't know. And what else? We made it to the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for the part 2 of the Aaliyah collection. Thank you so much for the support. I love you guys so much, and tag Mac in this video. Thank you so much. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment any content you want to see, and we're gonna get into some little slow-mos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to click that notification button before you go. Just before you go, click that good on notification button so you can get notified every time I upload, because YouTube be playing. Okay, see you guys in the next video.